And we want to make certain na wala na tayong utang sa 4Ps pa, mangungutang ka sa mahirap. Tama ba yun?
Madam, wala na ho because nga the 7 billion, again, is already enough to cover for that. That's why we ask for that standby special provision so that because in our own computation, enough na yung 7B. Enough na yung grants na binigay
Enough
nila.
na, pero wala nga. Yun na nga ang problem doon, Secretary. Kaya magkaliwanagan po kayo. Kasi
Madam Chair,
ang naririnig ko sa kanila, walang 7B na ganyan. Okay, proceed na tayo from 2023. Let's move forward to 2024. Ang sinasabi ninyo, there will be no more projected arrears from 2024. Tama ba yun? Are we saying it's okay to delete the provision authorizing the use of 4Ps 2025 to cover 2024 arrears? Kasi wala nang kulang, wala na tayong
Madam
utang
Chair,
sa 4Ps sa 2024.
Madam Chair, we took the advice of the good chairman's office to manage the entry of new members into the program so that we'll have the cash to pay the existing arrears. So wala na kaming nakikitang issue because more than enough na yung grants na hawak ho namin.